trace it for the beginning.
Okay. Or you could choose which ones you want to trace.
Aren't the beginning in this one?
Okay, start up here then.
No, from this.
Oh, the beginning page?
Yeah.
You want to trace these?
Yeah. A, B, C, D,
Do you remember when you did a D on Daddy's birthday card?
G, F, C,
October 15th.
H, I, J, K.
Hey, who starts with a J?
L,
Who starts with a J?
So,
Joe and
Mackenzie.
Mackenzie. She's the M. Oh, you were tracing the M. Okay. Remember your dolly? We talked about that Joda starts with the J.
Soda starts with soda starts letter C.
That's right.
Z has a J.
That's right. The J means J.
J.
All right. I love you.
I love you too.
Thank you.